na kay Steph Curry ang bola, pinasa ulit kay Steph Curry. Shoot ang 3 points. Austin Reeves, pinasa kay Smith, pinasa kay LeBron. Oop, diskarte. 3 points LeBron. Steph Curry ang bola, Steph Curry, pinasa kay Draymond Green, pinasa kay white guy, 3 points. Kay number 15 ang bola, 3 points. Kay Jimmy Butler, foul. 2 free throw for Jimmy Butler. 2 free throw, all goods. Austin bola, Austin Reeves. 3 points. Oh my God. Alim lang naman. Good defense naman kay pinasa kay Steph Curry. Pinaon. Nakakuha sa 2 free throw si Steph Curry. 2 free throw, all goods. Score 121-113. Austin Reeves against 3 points. 5 points na lang naman. Nagaw pa ni LeBron James. Pinasa niya kay Austin Reeves. Pinasirat niya Smith. No good. Sayang. Naka-Smith naman bola. Turara pa ni Luka Doncic. My God. Talagang si Luka Doncic. Yun na, foul na. Ulats na. Nasa play-in tournament ni Golden State. Kahit nanalo pa sila. Talo na. Suko ng Lakers namin. Panalo ng GSW niyo.